Making your presentations visually appealing is really important. So let's start with some of the things that you can put into your slides. Let's click on Insert over here. Let's come straight down to Word Art and let's make a nice, interesting title. There we go. By default, we get our default font, which is Arial, which is, I know I've spelled that incorrectly, so come back to here. So I'm going to click on this and I can change the font. So let's change it to Carta 1. That makes it a bit more interesting. We can use our format tools over here to add a border. So I'm going to add a nice grey border and I'm going to make it 3 pixels so we can see it. That's quite nice. And I'm going to click on the fill color. And we can use any of the colors from here or use our color picker. I'm going to use our gradient that we've already set up and I'm going to use this gradient. Click that and now I've got my word art on my page. Maybe I should make that a white border. I think I might make it nicer. That looks better. So that's how we can use a word art to make our presentations look a bit nicer.